Hello, Mighty Mum. Welcome to week 2. Okay, so last week we worked through the foundations, through your beliefs. The questions that you were asking yourself in the past were not helping you. Now, today I want to talk about expectations. Expectations is everything. If you have an expectation up here that you're going to lose all this weight, that things are going to change in 2 weeks, I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to be really upset. So we need to manage your expectations and talk about how is this 20 weeks going to be? What are the things that you're going to go through? What are the failures? What are the successes you're going to go through if you do the work? Because what usually happens is why people quit is their expectations are up here and maybe they're unrealistic and they achieve here and therefore they go, well, I'm never going to achieve that and I wanted to achieve all those things, but therefore I can't see it foreseeable and therefore I don't want to do it anymore and I quit. So the better we manage your expectations, the longer you're going to be on this journey and therefore be more successful. So let's get into it. What are you going to expect over these 20 weeks? I'm going to tell you right now that it's not going to be how you think it's going to be. It's not going to be easy. You may not see results very quickly, but all of a sudden when you build the habits, when you build the rituals and your foundation is right, you're going to see results like that. So this takes time. And a lot of people, they give up right before they're going to have a breakthrough. So the habits, the mindset, the behaviors, the failures, the challenges that you need to go through is key. And that's the biggest thing. People go into a program expecting everything to be perfect. I'm going to do my training here. I'm going to do my nutrition here. But there's a reason why these first 4 weeks is called foundations. Because before in the past, you were fixing all the symptoms. You were fixing lack of motivation. You were trying to increase your energy. You're trying to fix your nutrition and training. But these are all the symptoms and you're not looking at the core of the problem. The core of the problem is that you're burnt out. The core of the problem is that you no longer believe in yourself and you're lacking confidence. We need to fix those things and the results will come. But if we build weak habits, we're not going to get the results that we're truly after, or we'll get results for a really short period of time, but we're not going to get anything that's long lasting. So I want you to understand that you're going to go through challenges in this process because what got you right here is not going to get you to where you want to be, which is a leader at the end of the 20 weeks. So therefore, you need to be pushed outside your comfort zone. And when you hit your challenge, it might be in the first couple of weeks, it might be this week. You have to reframe it. I want you to reframe it as it's not a failure, but an opportunity to grow. And you might hear this all the time. Yes, failure is the way to growth. And I'm sorry to say it's the truth. Because if you see a failure as an opportunity to grow, it's not a matter of when you get your result. It's just going to happen because you're going to try, fail, learn, go again. And that's going to be the process. Try, fail, learn, go again. Now, your failure might be in a form of you putting on weight and you've done everything right for the week. Or it might be you get sick for 1 week and you lose your momentum. Or it might be you didn't do MyFitnessPal every single day. Or you missed a couple of workouts. I want you to know that these things are normal. I don't expect perfection around these whole 20 weeks, but I do expect progression. That every single week that you are getting 1% better. Because that accumulated over 20 weeks, you're going to see amazing results. So manage your expectations. I want for you to do the sheet down below. It's going to be talking about what do you expect over these 20 weeks and how do we manage those expectations? Do you actually expect that you're going to be perfect for 20 weeks? Do you expect that you're going to go through failures? How are you going to respond to those failures, those challenges? Are you going to see it as a normal part of the process or are you going to see it as the end? If you see it as the end, you will quit, you'll give up, and you'll never get to the result that you're truly after. So first and foremost, you need to manage these expectations, expect less, and therefore anything that you get is going to be a bonus. But if you expect all these things, you set these standards that are unrealistic, I'm going to tell you right now, the journey is going to become a lot harder. So this is key in your success. Managing these expectations is going to get you those long-term results. So after this video, I want you to click on the sheet below, fill out the sheet so that we can get clear on what your expectations are. Are they too high? Are they too low? Are they realistic? And therefore, you're going to be in this game a very long time.